arranged 180 red and white beads in a circle to make a decoration for National Day celebrations. She arranged 3 red beads between every 2 white beads. How many white beads did she use? Now, for such question, what we can do is to draw out the beads, okay, in the circle. But we, of course, we do not need to draw 180, okay, because that's just too many beads. So what we can do is to draw that white bead first, and then you have 3 red beads in between. 1, 2, and 3, and then you have another whitish bead here. So basically this is what it means: 3 red beads between 2 white ones. Okay, so if we were to continue, your pattern will look like this: 1, 2, and 3, and then yet another white bead. Continue once more to see and visualize what exactly is happening. 1, 2, and 3, and then one more here. Okay, so if you can see, this pattern goes on to form a circle, and there's a total of 180 of these beads being used. Alright, now if you notice, there is a repeated pattern that happens in this particular decoration. So this actually is not the repeated pattern, because the next one does not start the same way, right? If you want to have a repeated pattern or a group of items, it must be the same group. So this is one group, this is another group, and so on. Okay, so in each group, let's use blue color to circle out the groups. This is one group. In each group, there will be 4 beads. 1 plus 3, 1 white plus 3 red, so 4 beads in total, and this will make up one group. Alright, so what we can do is to find the number of such groups. We know that the total beads is 180, so number of groups, now this will be 180 divided by 4 beads in a group. We have 45 of such groups, and in each group we have just 1 white bead. 45 times 1 to give us a final answer of 45 white beads.